Hello, my name is Russell Smith, and I'm the Technology Facilitator for Fuquay-Varina High School, as well as Carpenter Elementary. And today I'm back with another Tech Tidbit, and this time I'm focusing on a really cool presentation tool, and it's also easy to use, that allows you to upload pictures and put in captions if you wish. It's called THEMATIC.co, THEMATIC.co. And I'm going to go scroll down real quick and give you an example of different presentations that people have uploaded using Thematic. I'm going to click on this one, where people have taken a trip to Far East Russia. And as you can see, you enter a title and a subtitle if you want to. And to progress from one picture to the next, you just press the down arrow on your keyboard. Or you can use your mouse and you can scroll manually. As you can see, this picture is a little bit larger than normal, so it doesn't show all the picture at once. But as I scroll from one picture, and I can go back up using my touchpad if I want to. And then I can progress from one picture to the next. And you can enter a text box if you want to give a description of what you're seeing. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click out of here and go back up to the top and show you where you can click to create an account. You click right here. To use Thematic, you have to follow the terms of use, and one of the terms of use is you have to be at least 13 years old. So unfortunately that eliminates our Carpenter Elementary students since they're all younger than 13. But it's perfectly good for high school students because they're all going to be at least 13 years old. Does not require you to have parental permission or anything like that to use the website if you're at least 13. So I'm going to pause the recording and sign into my account, and I'll join you very shortly. Alright, I'm signed into my Thematic account, and this is the dashboard where you can see all the projects that other people using Thematic have used or they've created. But in this case, I'm going to create a brand new project. So I'm going to click here to create a story. You can either upload pictures from a Dropbox account, or you can upload them from somewhere on your computer, on your desktop or laptop. So I'm going to choose from upload them from my laptop. And then click done. Hopefully they will upload and process fairly quickly for the video that I'm recording. Okay, my pictures have been uploaded and processed, and this is where you can add the title and a description for your project. As you can see, there's a text box in the middle of the screen. So I can click inside, and this is where I can enter my information. So I'm going to call this Visiting with Grandma. And on the left hand side, you can click on the different colors to change the color of the text for the title, to choose a color that best contrasts with the picture in the background. So I'm going to choose select yellow as for my title. And to add a description, I'm going to put in the month that these pictures were taken. So I'm going to put in March 2014. When I'm ready to go on to the next slide, I just press the down arrow. And you can see that this picture does not have a text box. So I'm going to click the T here, and my text box appears, and this is where I can enter the text from my text box. I'm going to go ahead and enter the caption for this picture. My cousin Kevin visits with his grandmother. And then you proceed to the next picture. This is a picture of my cousin's children, Ephraim and Wyatt. Give Grandma some flowers. Going to the next picture. This is my cousin Kristen. Kristen takes a picture of Grandma. This is her daughter Hannah. Hannah wants to talk to Grandma. 2. On the next one, taking a picture of Grandma with the children. So this is Ephraim. And you can, if you decide you don't want a text box, you can just click the X, the text box. You can just backspace over the text. And there's my cousin with Hannah. So, if I decide for any reason that I want to go back and edit, I can click the icon in the top right corner, and this shows me the order that the pictures are in. If I decide that I want to move them around or change the order, I can swap them around just like this, drag and drop, and it renumbers them automatically. And if I want to go back in and edit some more, I can click the pencil icon on the right side of the picture. And when you click the edit icon, you can edit. You can click on the image or change the text or delete. So I can change the picture if I want to. I'm going to go ahead and not worry about it. I'm going to click done. And then when I'm at the end of my presentation, I can decide if I want to make this public. So anybody who can see this, or I can make it private. I'm going to choose to make it private. And then I click done. All right, my thematic presentation, my story has been created. If I want to edit the story, I can click here and go back in and edit my story some more. I can click here if I want to view all the stories that I've published so far. And I did make it private, so I can share it through email, or Facebook, or Twitter, or Google+, or I can also embed it onto my website. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my medium-size embed code, copy that code onto my virtual clipboard, and then I'm going to go over to my Weebly account that I have ready for my thematic page. I'm going to put over my widget for my embed code, click inside and paste. And publish my page. Go to my thematic.co page. So there's my presentation embedded into my website, and if I want to view it, it makes it full screen. And I click on my down arrow to progress through my presentation. And then if I want to look at all the stories I've created, I can go to my profile and it shows all the stories I've created so far. So that is basically how to use thematic.co. It's really cool. It's pretty simple to use, pretty easy, and I think it's a good alternative to doing a presentation that is mostly picture oriented instead of text. So anyway, my name is Russell Smith, and I'll see you next time for another Tech Tidbit. Take care.